Hello and welcome to the video tour for 1201 25th Avenue West here in Palmetto, Florida. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. It's very nicely done. There has not been 1 square inch of this that hasn't been touched or remodeled. Meticulously maintained. So you walk in here to the living space, which also opens up to the dining room. Let me give you one other angle here so you can see. Here we have the kitchen with granite countertops and white cabinets. All appliances are working wonderfully. There's also a pantry here. Off of this little pantry area, there's also a large storage area with the washer dryer hookups in it. Enough room for an extra fridge, extra cabinets. There's also a door on here. I think it leads out to the lanai, the same lanai that the French doors lead to. I'll show you that in just a second. Very spacious lanai area, fully screened. And this hallway has 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. And you'll notice it does have the, like I said before, one continuous porcelain floor. It's beautifully done. Here's bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. Here's also the hall bathroom. And again, the 2 storage areas. If you have any questions on this home, I'd be happy to answer them for you. I can be reached at 941-713-5969. That's 941-713-5969. The roof is scheduled to be redone. The AC has already been inspected. It's only 6 years old, but it did get serviced just for preventative maintenance. The bones are solid. It's a block home. And it's just a wonderful, wonderful place to live. The street is very, very stable and just is very well maintained. So this is a wonderful home. If you have any questions, I look forward to speaking with you. Again, my name is Benjamin Bruce with Nathan Weaver Realty.